Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Unlock English podcast. I'm Alex. Today, we'll talk about a question many learners ask. How can I practice speaking English if I don't have anyone to talk to?
Hello, everyone. I'm Amma. Don't worry, Alex and all our listeners. Practicing English alone is not only possible, it can be one of the best ways to improve your speaking skills.
That's interesting. Many learners think they need a partner to improve. But even fluent speakers, actors, or news anchors often practice alone before speaking publicly.
Exactly. Before giving a speech or performing, they rehearse alone to build confidence and fluency.
In this episode, Amma, can you share the best techniques to practice English by yourself?
Of course, we'll cover thinking in English, shadowing, speaking out loud, storytelling, role-playing, using AI apps, and recording yourself.
Great! Let's start with some common myths about practicing English alone.
Busting myths about practicing alone.
Amma, what's the first myth people believe?
Many learners think speaking alone won't help. That's not true. Speaking alone actually trains your brain to form sentences and improves confidence.
Like athletes practicing alone before a game.
Yes. Myth 2, I need a native speaker to improve. While native speakers help, you don't need one to get better. Many learners reach fluency without regular native conversations.
True, especially now with podcasts, videos, and AI tools for pronunciation practice.
Myth 3, talking to yourself is strange. I do it all the time, Alex. It's effective and natural. Role-playing, narrating your day, or repeating dialogues aloud helps improve fluency and confidence.
That's reassuring. So speaking alone is not only okay, it's powerful.
Technique 1, thinking in English.
Amma, what's the first technique?
Think in English. Don't translate from your native language. Thinking directly in English makes speaking faster and natural.
How can a learner start thinking in English?
Start simple. Describe what's happening around you. I am making tea. The water is boiling. I will add sugar.
You can also describe what you see outside. The car is blue. The birds are singing. The weather is sunny.
Planning your day works too. At 10 a.m., I will study. Then I'll walk. After that, I'll meet my friend.
And if full sentences feel difficult?
Start with keywords: coffee, morning, hot, delicious. Gradually, full sentences will come naturally. Technique 2, shadowing.
Amma, what about shadowing?
Shadowing is listening to a speaker and immediately repeating what they say, copying their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation.
How do we start?
Pick a short clip, podcast, YouTube video, or movie scene. Listen 10 to 20 seconds, then repeat. Don't worry about understanding every word. Focus on sounds and rhythm.
Any tips?
Start with subtitles, then remove them. Speak out loud, not whisper. Avoid fast audio at first. Mistakes are okay. Keep practicing. Technique 3, speaking out loud. How does speaking out loud help?
Your mouth needs practice forming English sounds. Speaking aloud trains your speech muscles.
How can learners do this?
3 ways: describe things, tell stories, and role-play conversations.
Can you give examples?
Describe your surroundings, like there's a desk, my laptop is open, my phone is on the desk. Tell stories. Yesterday, I went to the park. Role play. Pretend to order food, introduce yourself, or ask for directions. Act as 2 people to make it fun. Technique 4. Recording yourself. Amma, what about recording ourselves?
Record your voice. Listening back helps you notice pronunciation mistakes, fluency issues, and sentence errors.
How should learners start?
Pick a topic. Describe your day, read aloud, or tell a story. Record, then listen carefully. Compare with native speakers to improve.
Technique 5. Using AI and apps. Amma, can AI tools help?
Yes, apps like ChatGPT, Elsa Speak, or other conversation apps let you practice speaking and get instant feedback.
Any tips for using them effectively?
Speak, don't just type. Use different topics daily. Practice pronunciation, sentence structure, and confidence even without a human partner.
Conclusion and key takeaways. Let's recap. Amma, what are the key points?
Practicing alone is effective. Think in English, shadow native speakers, speak out loud. Describe, tell stories, role play. Record yourself, use AI tools.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Even 5 minutes a day helps. Consistency is key.
Enjoy the process, speak confidently, and every small step counts.
Thanks for joining us today. Start practicing and see your English improve every day.